Hey everyone, my name is Dalen with ServiceOne, and today we'll be doing a product unboxing of the Aprilaire Whole House Humidifier. Aprilaire's reputation as an innovator in the industry was solidified in 1954 when they introduced the first truly effective whole home humidifier. Since then, Aprilaire has continued to be a leader in the industry. You can learn more about their products at aprilaire.com. Today I'm going to be showing you the Model 600M Whole House Humidifier. Before I open the box, I feel it necessary to read the warning label on the top here. The warning label reads, "This product must be installed by a qualified heating and air conditioning contractor. Failure to do so could result in serious injury from electrical shock and voids warranty due to possible product misapplication." We recommend using a licensed HVAC contractor like ServiceOne when installing indoor air quality products to ensure you are protected and maintain your warranties. When you open your new Aprilaire Whole House Humidifier, you will be met with some literature. On the top is your annual operation and maintenance sticker. This specific whole house humidifier is equipped with an Aprilaire Model 35 water panel that will need to be replaced annually. You can keep track of your water panel replacement dates utilizing this sticker. The water panel is the core of your Aprilaire humidifier. The porous coating absorbs water and maintains the proper level of hydration to support the evaporation process. Water is vaporized as air warmed by the furnace passes over the water panel. The humidified air is carried through the house through the air ducts. This porous coating will get filled with mineral deposits and start to hinder airflow if not changed out annually. Next, we have the owner's manual. The owner's manual includes safety and operation instructions and warranty information. After the owner's manual, we have the Humidifier Template. This is for the installer of your humidifier, which, as I mentioned before, should be a licensed HVAC contractor. This product must be installed in compliance with all local, state, and federal codes. Finally, underneath all of that is the wiring recommendations. Again, this is literature for your installer. Now that we are past all the literature, you can see the manual humidifier control. Using this device, you can set the percentage of humidity you would like to achieve based on the outside temperature. The control also comes with an instruction manual and wiring. Finally, we have the Model 600M Whole House Humidifier. Typically, the whole house humidifier will be mounted onto the supply duct of your HVAC system, and a drain tube will be attached and feed into your floor drain or condensate pump. Aprilaire humidifiers can help you maintain optimal humidity in your home of 30% to 60%, which has been shown to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections and symptoms related to allergies and asthma by minimizing the formation of bacteria and viruses, fungi, and dust mites. In addition, you will feel more comfortable while also preserving items in your home susceptible to damage from changing humidity or dry conditions. Once again, my name is Dalen with ServiceOne, and thank you for taking the time to check out the Aprilaire 600M Whole House Humidifier from ServiceOne. Take care.